Hi everyone, my name is Avi,
And I'm a co-founder here at Vesi.
and today I'm going to walk you through how to use the Vesi app. So you're going to be going through your day, doing whatever you want to do during your day, and you're going to wonder, well, how has Vesi actually saved my water? So we're going to open the Vesi app, and we're going to click on it, and it's going to open up and look something like this. So you're gonna see this is my water usage. I just got the Vesi installed, so this is how it looks. So it hasn't fully done the full job yet of making everything equal and even how they should be. But right now you can see my moisture is a little bit high, my temperature is very high, and the pH of my soil is about just right. And so then I'm going to go, if I want to control it more myself, I'm going to click on Advanced Settings. And if I click on Advanced Settings, I'll see something like this. And you'll see the dials, and you'll be able to manually control how much water flows through the Vesi water valve and goes to your plants through your sprinklers to control exactly how much moisture, temperature, and pH of that they have. And the reason we designed the app this way is because aside from our mission of having to save as much water as possible, we also believe in making things easy to use for our users to interact with. And so this is why our app is very simple and easy to use. Thank you and have a great day and enjoy using Vesi. We hope you like it.